Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's start with December theme. Along with that, let's talk about question about journaling. My first question is how to write your whole year in a journal. Before moving into this question, I want to tell you that the time lapse or in description you could find the topic of your interest from description by skipping the video, okay? So let's talk about that question. I categorize this question into five main steps. Number one, achievements. Number two, skills you learned. Number three, positive coincidence, lessons, and overall conclusion. Let's talk about one by one. Number one, achievements. You have to write your achievements like I do two main things. Number one, I did walk every day from last month and it's achievement for me. And I drink water from April 16 and now it has like a whole year for me and it has so many fruitful results. Okay, and I do tilawat on regular basis from April 2024. I eat some fruits in morning from last 3 months, and it may be dates or dried raisins. It's helped me to get clear skins, and also hydration helped me. So these are the achievements for me. You can write your achievement either it is too big or too small, because as you see my examples, these achievements are not so big but its results are awesome. Also, it motivates me to stay disciplined and do more. It helps me to say me to wow and make me happy in one instance when I recall that uh, achievements, and I realize that I am not a loser. I can do something either it is too big or so small. Just do this because you and me both know that small efforts results awesome. In my first video, I got 3 views. It is an achievement for me because I am in learning process. It makes me happy. So just write your achievement, laugh out loud on my achievements. Joking. You can share your own in my comment section. I want to enjoy while reading them, so please share them. Okay, my next achievement, which I forget to tell about, I fail in physics exams. My score is 9 out of 45, but now I achieve 28 out of 45. And at that day, when I know my result, I feel like, oh wow, I did it. So write your achievements so that it helps you to motivate. Moving to number two, skills you learned. Okay, you learn skills both by consciously and unconsciously. For me, my college timing are 9 to 12 a.m. So I go to college on 7 a.m. and end at 1:30 p.m. due to shift issues. So that I have so many free time. In past year I wasted time by seeing my mobile, by scrolling on mobile, or by just waiting for my car. Suddenly my friend came to me and she told me there is a free course near us, you have to do this, and I joined that course. This is drafting course where I learned about crochet, stitching, embroidery. So I made this frock, literally made this frock, and I made gloves for my sister which I sell, and this is the achievement for me. I learned them, and I realized that I do not waste my time and learn something. Also, I learned something which is called emotional quotient. When I realized that nobody focus on my personal problem, then I gain better EQ level, because now I know that I have to handle my quotient by myself. Also, I'm not fluent in English, but now what's my English level? You can tell me at comment section. Also, I joined course by myself in a college so that I can improve my English. Okay, I tell you by example because it helped me better to understand, help better me to understand what I am talking. It helped me so that I can say that it helped you as well. You can tell me in comment section that it helped you or not. By writing these skills, which I tell about, which you learn consciously or unconsciously, you feel confident. Also, you set some goal skills for your next year. Okay, moving to third point, which is positive coincidence. You can switch to 1.5x for better experience if you feel bored. Okay, it may seem funny, like, let me tell you, I have strict math teacher, okay, which is too brilliant by herself. She is selected with you know with such a tough competition exams and been selected as a teacher, but she does not take classes seriously. She doesn't focus on us, and she doesn't teach us well. So, and she fails us so brilliantly that it is her achievement to fail us. Okay, but I realized that due to classes burden, she left her class and replaced by new good teacher. So it is a positive coincidence that new teacher will teach us in a better way, and we got highest marks. Okay, in math it's a positive coincidence. Also, when you go to college, this is an example, okay, without preparation of test, and you are so worried about your test, but you realize that your teacher is absent. What is that feeling? Just feel that moment, write it down to create memories, just for feeling happy. Do you understand why I'm talking about? This is just for increasing our dopamine level, okay? So that you can write this on your diary to feel happy. Just write it down, okay? Number 4, lessons. Although I don't like my that teacher, but I learned a lot from her, which I discuss in my previous step, which is positive coincidence. Okay, I talk about my EQ level, how to control, so to speak, right? Not a full negative incident, because you feel sad while reading it in future. So just write lesson you learned from that negative incident, so that you never repeat the same mistake. Okay, just write the lesson, not the whole incident I am repeating. Just write that. Okay, number 5, which is final step, and which is called overall conclusion. Okay, write your scores out of 12 or overall, in percentage. List on your main summaries of year. It is not too happiest is it too happiest experience for myself? You can also got this. Hope so you understand. If you like it, kindly subscribe. Okay, these are the 5 main steps which I learned from my experience. If you're not, please let me know in comment section. So moving on to the next question, which is how can this year's experience affect next year's goals? Okay, our good experience motivate us and help us to do more. Also, you can write your skill set as goal for next year, because when you write, you get clear on your thoughts. Also, you learn some skills unconsciously this year, from your experience, either from any social media's website. Okay, but from next year you can learn them with conscious aware that what I am learning about and what is the benefit of that special skills. I have an idea which I've seen on Drissy Sharma's channel, where she called it skill of the month. I also want to incorporate in that skills. In October I learned crochet, in November I learned stitching, and in December I learned embroidery and English spoken. Into billing course for myself, and so many courses for myself, so that I can learn build a new skill for me. You can also incorporate into this, and what you have to do, you have to set 12 skills for a year. So every skill you have to learn in a month. Okay, in a whole month. If you don't really do that skill, you learn that, but you know little bit of it, either photography, the basics of photography, either it's cooking skill, baking, any kind of skill of your interest. Okay, so you can pick it that it help to increase your dopamine level, also your productivity increases. And it's a fun fact, okay? It's not the compulsory thing. It's just my idea. I see this idea by Trishti channel. I learned a lot from her, okay? So moving to the next point, which is that you never make same mistake, repeat same mistakes, okay, from which you do in this past year, okay, in 2024. Not repeating that mistake. I say that when list on your list goals that are not fulfilled, and try to find out the reason why they do not feel or fulfilled. Either your goals are so big so that you can't achieve them, so break it into easy parts, okay. For example, from March 2024 I want to hifz Quran, but I could not. Now I find out what is the reason behind that, so make it easy, so next time you fulfill your goals, and try to learn and never repeat same mistakes, okay. uh, for next, what I have to do, also while setting goal, be specific, okay. Be specific with your goals, follow smart rules. What is smart rules? Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound, okay. In the summer, you write your whole year, as I discussed in my previous question. It also set goals for 2025 by categorizing health, beauty, fitness, productivity, hobby, skill, finance, education, career, relationship, and set goals. Also, you can set goals on 31st December, but why I am telling you, there are two main reasons, okay, from December 1st, why I'm telling you earlier, okay. Write this goal in present tense. Number one, this is number one, okay. Write this goal in present tense to prepare your subconscious mind, because our mind cannot differentiate between reality and or dream, okay. When you write daily, as you write your daily life, and then write a paragraph of your whole goals in present tense, you prepare your subconscious mind, and they help you, this subconscious mind takes steps towards your with this term is called manifestation. If you don't familiar with that specific type of manifestation, what manifestation is, you can google it, and you can find any of the video from what is it called, from any online website, okay. So you can do this, you listen about that word. I think the number two, benefiting from that, writing it earlier than that, you can break into achievable steps so that you do not have to burden. Yes, good, you understand well. I'm talking about planning your year in advance, so that you do not have to waste your time on 1st January by thinking that what's my goal, I have to how did I achieve them. No, do it on 1st December, so that on 1st January you start a year with a bang. Create boards according to your goals, and also be specific on your goals. What do I mean by being specific is that you what I mean by being specific is that you want to lose weight, okay. What do you mean by lose weight, okay. For example, if you want to lose weight, be clear on your goals, that this is the exercise which I do to lose weight, this is the diet which I take for losing my weight, this is the mindset which I have to make losing weight, okay. Be specific on your goals, okay. You just write that I want to become healthy. What is the definition of becoming healthy for you? You said that you have to glow up in 2025. What is the real definition of glowing up in for you? Write specific. If you want to if glow up mean you have strong long eyelashes, so just go for it. So just go for it. Just eyelash serums, write down your step, what step you take to achieve this goal, make them achievable, make them realistic, and be specific on your goals, so that you have clear intention what you want to achieve, okay. So if you clear on your mind will work upon them. Okay, guys, have you got the point what I wanna ask to you? Make vision board and set as the phone background so that see your goals and you do not have to recall your goals from opening your diary or notes app where you write that. Be accessible to your goals. Okay, thank you so much for watching until the very end. If you find it interesting, kindly subscribe for more such content. Also share it with your loved ones. Okay, also give comment over the December theme. I make it so simple, so elegant, so basic theme. I use only black color and some colorful markers, and also make it very easy. And I think so in this video I cover all of your questions. You can ask more question if you find want which you want to add. Okay, also you can write your experiences, especially your experiences in comment section, which I tell about your as before, your achievements in comment section. I really enjoy watching it. Okay, hope so you like my video. Okay, we will meet again in next month. Love you all. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Please appreciate me. Kindly like, subscribe. Your appreciation really matters me a lot. Also, give marks to my English. Okay, I work upon it. I'm so sorry if you can't understand my area. I'm in a new journey to YouTube, so you give me sub suggestion. I always consider it. If you want to incorporate in skill of month, you can also share that so that I can also rejoin my list. Okay, so this is my whole video. Hope so you like it. Bye, love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Bye.